Good morning, students. How are you? Now, today, let us learn the experiment number 3. Instrument is same, Western bridge, but aim is slightly different. Our aim is to find the resistance Rx and Ry using Western bridge, then connect them in a series and parallel. Let me find its equivalent resistance in a series and parallel connection and verify the laws of the combination of the resistance. For that the circuit is almost same. Battery positive to the A terminal of the Western bridge, negative terminal to the key, simple key to rheostat to the C terminal. Then connect the resistance, unknown resistance Rx in the first gap. In second gap, connect the resistance box B to galvanometer and galvanometer jockey. So let me connect the circuit first and let me start the experiment. Now here connect the battery positive to the A terminal of the Western bridge, negative terminal to simple key to rheostat and rheostat to the B terminal of the Western bridge. In first gate connect the unknown resistance, in second gate connect the resistance box B to galvanometer and galvanometer to the jockey. First you will switch on from here, then switch on from here, and let me take the 5 ohms resistance from the resistance box. Slide this jockey on Western bridge and find out the null point. When the galvanometer shows the zero deflection, it is null point. The length of the wire A to D on a scale, it is equal to 64 centimeter. Then you will change the resistance from 5 to 10 ohms. Again find out the null point. Slide this jockey on this wire. Find where the galvanometer shows zero deflection and it is equal to the length of the wire. It is equal to 48 centimeter. Then we will take the 15 ohm resistance from here and again find out the null point by sliding this jockey on wire of the Western bridge. When it shows zero deflection, the reading is equal to 38 centimeter. Okay. Now let me note down this reading in observation table. Now let me note down the readings in observation table for resistance Rx. When the 5 ohm resistance was there, 10 and 15, the null point of the L1 for 5, it was 64 centimeter. Then obviously L2, that is 100 minus L1, it will be equal to 36 centimeter. Now for 10 ohm resistance, it is equal to, it was 48, then L2 will be 52 centimeter. And similarly for 15 ohm, the L1 was 38, so it will be 62 centimeter. Now let me calculate the 5 into 64 divided by 36. The answer is 8.89. Similarly for 10 into 48 divided by 52, it is equal to 9.23. And similarly for the third calculation, 15 into 38 into 62, it is equal to 9.19. Now the average of this three value is equal to 9.10 is resistance of the Rx resistance. Now let me find the resistance Ry and note down the readings. Now disconnect the resistance Rx from here and connect the second resistance, say it is Ry resistance. Connect here in place of Rx, connect the Ry resistance. Again, now note down the reading for the resistance Ry. First take the 5 ohms from here and find out the null point. The null point of the wire is it is equal to 54 centimeter for 10 ohms. It is equal to 37, and for 15 ohm it is equal to 27. Okay, now let me note down the reading for the resistance Ry. When 5 ohm resistance in a resistance box, the length of the wire was 54 centimeter, so L2 will be equal to 46. When the resistance Rb was 10 ohms, the length of the null point was 37, so it will be equal to L2 will be equal to 63, and for 15 ohm, the length of the wire L1 29 and 71 respectively. Now when you calculate the 5 into 54 divided by 46 as per this formula, the resistance of this wire is 5.86. For the second calculation, calculate it, your answer will be 5.87, and for the third calculation, it will be equal to 6.13. Now the average of these three readings will be equal to 5.95. Now let me connect the resistors Rx and Ry in series and let me find its null point. Okay. Now students, let me connect the resistors Rx and Ry in a series. For that, you connect the resistors Rx here. So resistors Rx and Ry in a side by side position, that is series connection. After connecting the resistors Rx and Ry in a series, let you start the battery from here, then from here, find the null point for the series connection. For series connection, we will take the resistance 10, 15 and 20 in from the resistance box. Let I take the 10 ohms from here and find out the null point. The length of the wire A to D is equal to, it is 61 centimeter. For 15 ohm resistance, let me find out the null point. When galvanometer shows the zero deflection, the length of the wire is exactly 52 centimeter. And for 20 ohm resistance, let me find out the null point. It is a null point. Find out the null point, and it is equal to 41 centimeter. Now let me note down this reading in observation table. Now let me note down the reading for the series connection. In series connection, we selected the 10, 15 and 20 ohm resistance from the resistance box. For 10 ohm resistance, the length of the wire is 61, so L2 will be equal to 39 centimeter. Now for 15 ohm resistance, the length of the wire was 52, so L2 will be equal to 48. Similarly, here for the 15, it is 20 ohm resistance, it will be equal to 51 and 59. Now calculate 10 into 61 dividing by 39. The resistance of the series is 15.64 ohm. For the second calculation, 15 into 52 dividing by 48, sorry, it is 48, it is equal to 16.25. For the third calculation, 20 into 41 dividing by 59, the resistance will be 13.89. Now the average of these three, it is equal to 15.25 ohm resistance. In this way, we can find the series resistance when connected in the series, equivalent resistance with series connection. Let me find the equivalent resistance in a parallel connection. Now let me connect the resistance Rx and Ry in a parallel. How will you connect? So first connect the resistance Rx and Ry in a parallel. So first take both left end of the unknown resistance resistance connect at left side. And right ends of both the resistance connect on right side. Students, now this is a parallel connection. In series connection, the resistance were side by side. ठीक है, parallel connection में resistance ऊपर एक के ऊपर होगा. That means both left end connect to the left side, both right end connect to the right side. After connecting that, you will switch on the battery from here, then from here. Then find out the null point for the different values of the RV. Here I will select the values of the RV is 4 ohm resistance. 4 means 2 plus 2 resistance. Find out the null point for 4 ohm resistance. Stop. Here I will take the 3 resistance from the resistance box. Then I will find the null point from the galvanometer. Here the length of the wire for the 3 ohm it is equal to 53 centimeter. Then I will take the 4 ohm resistance from here. Then I will find again the null point. For 4 ohm resistance, the length of the wire is equal to 47 centimeter. Then I will take the 5 ohms from here, and I will find the null point. The length of the wire for 5 ohm resistance it is equal to 41 centimeter. Now let me note down this reading in objection table. Now let the resistance in resistance box was 3, 4 and 5 respectively. For that the values of the null point for the length L1 is 53, then L2 will be equal to 47. For 4 ohm resistance it was 47 centimeter, so obviously L2 will be equal to 53, and for the third, the 5 it was 41, so length of the wire for L2 will be 59. Now calculation for this RB into L1 dividing by L2, the value will be equal to 3.38. For the second calculation, 4 into 47 dividing by 53, it is equal to 3.55. And for the third calculation, that is 5 ohms into 41 dividing by 59, it is equal to 3.47. Now average of this value it is equal to 3.4. It will be around the 4 and something. 4 is okay. Now we have find the resistance series and parallel in practically. Let me find its theoretical value. So what is the theoretical formula? For theoretical value series, Rs is equal to Rx plus Ry. So what is the value of Rx? It is 9.10 plus 9.595. The equivalent resistance is equal to 15.05 ohm resistance. Now here we got 15.25, so almost theoretical and practical values are equal. Let me find the equivalent resistance in a theoretically for parallel connection. Rx into Ry, so 9.10 into 5.95 dividing by the sum is equal to 15.05. The product of the 9.10 and 5.95 it is equal to 54.14 whole dividing by 15.05. The divisor of these two values it is equal to 3.38. 5 is the 59 is the answer. While the practically it was 3.46, that is quite nearly. So in this way we can verify the rows of the combination of the resistance with the help of meter bridge. Okay, so first once you note down this reading in your notebook, then you can copy in a journal. But अभी journal के लिए कुछ decide नहीं हुआ, तो first you collect all this data or experiments, you will note down in your notebook first. Okay, आपके पास ये record तैयार रखना, journal decide होगी, then you write in a journal. Okay, first okay, bye students, bye.